You didn't say, "Hey Siri," you weren't using your phone. So why did that ad mention exactly what you were just talking about? Your phone's mic is in passive listening mode, always. It constantly scans for wake words like "Hey Siri," "Okay Google," or "Alexa." To do that, it's recording and analyzing audio locally, in real time. Google confirmed it buffers up to 60 seconds of audio before deleting it if no command is detected.
60 seconds.
But some apps, like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, request background mic access. Meta even filed a patent to detect what show you're watching or store you're in, using ambient sound. Other apps analyze room tone or background noise, not to record you, but to guess what you're doing. Shazam once had a bug that left your mic on, 24/7, for years. So no, it's not always recording. But yes, your phone is always listening, just in case you say something useful.